birthday cake, right? Do you have anybody there? Y'all give Beyonce some noise for her birthday, y'all. What up, man? Got the D on there.
Oh, that's a beautiful cake.
We gonna celebrate for Beyonce's birthday, but first we gotta hit you with the #1 video on the countdown. Here's Chingy featuring Tyrese with Pulling Me Back.
This is my nephew, Jules. This is Daniel. Say hi. He's being shy.
No, it's scary because he's liking it a little too much. Jules, I heard that you hip-hop dance. Do you hip-hop dance?
Say yes.
Oh, you do? Work it out. Jules, hands up. Work it out. We'll be right back. So look at Salon and Bring It On, All or Nothing on DVD right now. We'll be right back. Work it out.
Get it. Oh. You ready to fly?
Yes.
Still fly.
Jules, what do you think of the game?
You like it? Yeah?